Students, this video lecture is so much important and interesting for you. In this I will prove that square root of 9 multiply 36 equals to square root of 9 multiply square root of 36. In left hand side we have combined square root, but in right hand side we have separate square root. I will prove this by prime factorization method. This question is also in your PTB board maths book class 7 exercise 5.2 question number 4, in which we have to prove that by prime factorization method लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड को हमने इक्वल फाइंड करना है, प्रूफ करना है हमने कि लेफ्ट का आंसर राइट के इक्वल है. Now I will prove it, but before this, if you are new on my channel and still didn't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe it and click on the bell icon, so whenever my next video, next trick, next proof will be uploaded और next formula भी मैंने upload किया है वो upload होगा तो आपके पास notification पहुंच जाएगी. Now start solution करते हैं. जी square root of 9 multiply 36 is equal to square root of 9 multiply square root of 36. 9 multiply 36 in square root, it means you have to multiply these two values. 36 multiplied 9, it becomes 324. Now find the factors of 9 and 36 separate. Find the factors of 36. Start from 2 first prime number, because this method is prime factorization method, so we will choose prime numbers to solve this. As you know, prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible on itself table, and 1 means prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So we will start from smallest prime number, which is 2. Divide 36 on table of 2, we have answer 18. Divide 18 on table of 2, it becomes 9. 3 की टेबल में 9 कहाँ आता है जी, 3 पे. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 36 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, and factors of 9 are simple, which are 3 multiply 3, it becomes 9. So write the prime numbers 3 multiply 3 in square root, and factors of 36 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 in square root. Now find the factors of 324 in left hand side. So find the factors of 324. Again start from smallest prime number, which is 2, because 324 is divisible by 2. Answer is 162. 162 divided by 2, answer is 81. Now 81 is not divisible on table of 2, so we will try the next prime number, which is 3. After 2 we have next prime number which have only two factors is 3. So 81 divided by 3, answer is 27. 27 divided by 3, answer is 9. 9 divided by 3, answer is 3, and 3 on table of 3 is 1. So factors of 324 are 2 times 3 and 4 times 2 times 2 and 4 times 3. So write 2 times 2 and 4 times 3. Here we have 3 2 times, तो 3 का square आ गया in square root, multiply as it is. Here we have one pair of 2 and one pair of 3, so square of 2 and square of 3 and square root as it is हमने लगा दिया. अब इधर देखें इस साइड पे 1 pair of 2 है तो 2 की पावर 2 multiply 2 pairs of 3, तो 3 की पावर 2 multiply 3 की पावर 2. हमने इनको हमेशा स्क्वायर फॉर्म में ही लिखना है, बिकॉज स्क्वायर कैंसिल विद दिस स्क्वायर रूट. Here square cancel with this square root. 3 multiply 2 multiply 3 as it is. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 as it is. 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are 18, and here 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. So left hand side equals to right hand side. It means I have proved that square root of 9 multiply 36 equals to square root of 9 multiply square root of 36. In left hand side you have to multiply first and then find the factors, but in right hand side no need of multiplication because we have separate square root on both values. So take separate factors of both values, and in last you have proved that both sides are equal. होप सो ये क्वेश्चन आपको समझ आ गया होगा. मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं इसी तरह के कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग आपको वेरिफिकेशंस बताऊंगी, वेरिफिकेशन मेथड बताऊंगी. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.